Hello and welcome to this Excel tips video. I'm Sumit Bansal, and in this video I'm going to show you how to automatically open a few Excel files from a folder whenever you open Excel. So this could be useful when you have a set of files that you always open whenever you start your day. So instead of opening these files individually, whenever you open Excel, Excel would automatically go to that folder and open these files for you. So here I have this folder called project folder and I have these two files, and what I want is whenever I open Excel, these two files should get opened. Now, as of now, if I open Excel, you can see I see this backstage screen and I click on blank workbook and it opens this blank new book 1.xlsx workbook. I don't want this. I want these two files to get opened. So I would go to the file tab. Here I would go to options, and in Excel options dialog box, I would go to advanced, and here I would come down and I have this option of general, and within general I have this option at startup open all files in, and I can specify the folder here. And when I specify the folder, the next time I open Excel, all the files in that folder would automatically get opened. So I go back to this folder here, I copy the address, I come back here and I paste it here and click OK. Now I would close this Excel workbook and see what happens when I open Excel now. It automatically opens these two files. You can see as soon as I opened Excel, file A and file B got opened immediately. So you can add more files. Now if I come back, I close everything here, and let's say I add a new file here and I call it file C. Now when I open Excel, all these three files would get opened, because what Excel is doing is going to this folder and opening all the files in the folder. See what happens when I open Excel? Now this time it opens three files. You can see file C is open. If I hover the cursor over here, you can see file A, B, and C. All these files get opened. So this is something that can save you some time, especially if you have a lot of files or if you're managing a huge project and there are a lot of files that you need to open whenever you start your day, then this could be something that can save you a little bit of time. That's it in this video. I hope you found this useful. Also, if you're liking these videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you're notified whenever I come up with a new Excel tips video. Thank you and have a nice day.